overturned up here. Hey, let's get up to the sky real quick.
Yeah, let's go see. I got the med kit in the car if you need it. Put it on your hazard right now. Keep filming that.
You guys will help.
Yeah, I got it. You two are on the left side.
Watch out for oncoming planes.
We've got
No.
Wow.
we've got hazards on.
All right.
Oh my God.
He's okay.
All right.
He's okay.
It's good.